Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the VicoHome camera keeps going offline in 2026. So you need to start by checking your internet near the camera. First of all, stand next to the camera and now you need to test your Wi-Fi on your phone. If the signal is weak or unstable, you can move your router closer or install a Wi-Fi extender. Just make sure that the camera is not too far or blocked by the walls, metals, or any outdoor barriers. Also ensure that the camera is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as most of the Vico home cameras won't properly go with 5 GHz. Now after doing this, you just have to do a quick reset of your camera. For that, you just have to remove the camera power, then simply wait for 30 seconds, and then you need to turn the power back on. After that, you can also restart your router the same way. Simply turn it off first, then wait for a few seconds and then simply turn it back on. After basically resetting your camera and the router, you just have to wait for further 2 to 3 minutes to basically reconnect it fully. This particular step is going to clear any temporary drops that cause the frequent offline issues. If it keeps disconnecting, you can just simply reconnect it properly. For that, you will need the VicoHome application. So inside the VicoHome application, simply on the home page, go to the settings. In the settings, first of all, you need to basically look for the option of remove device. After that, press and hold the reset button on the camera and wait for 5 to 10 seconds until the light flashes. Then inside the application, the camera that you have removed, you need to add it again. So instead of remove camera, you will see the option of add camera or add device. So after clicking on the option, simply select your camera, then follow further on-screen setup instructions and enter your Wi-Fi details and complete the pairing again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.